In this video we are going to be looking over this Fujica ST605N 35mm film SLR camera equipped with this Fujinon 55mm f2.2 prime lens. What I thought I'd do first is just run it through the basic operations. So here we're going to start. This one has kind of an unusual 7/100th of a second as its fastest speed, but there we saw it go. One thing I noticed is that the aperture blades, they stop down real fast, but they open up a little bit slow. They're just a little bit slow opening up. I don't know if that will cause any problem. I wouldn't think so, because it's going to stop down and then the shutter's going to operate, but beware they're a little bit sluggish. Okay, we've got the 500th, 250th, 125th, 60th, 30th, 115th, 1/8th, 1/4, and 1/2 second. And that's the longest there is other than the bulb setting, which will just stay as long as you hold the button down. I did check the, I put some batteries in it to try out the meter. It's a simple needle match, and you set, it's fully manual. You set your shutter speed here, and you adjust this, and you get a needle to match within 2 marks, and that's how you do it. You have to press the stop down to make it work, and then you adjust that. So let's try the self timer as well. It's a mechanical timer. And that's working. Let's remove the lens. It's the old M42 thread. As I showed before, the lens stops down quick when you push the button. Seems just a little bit slow opening back up. Focus feels pretty smooth. That's very nice, actually. No damage to the filter thread. That all looks good. Looking inside here, looks like that foam that the mirror flips up against is kind of rough, and that should be replaced. But it works. I'll screw this back in. I don't have a front lens cap for it, but I do have a filter that will be screwed into the front, and that will protect the front lens. And here it is. Let's open up the back here. You just pull up on the rewind knob. You can see the shutter operating. Film advanced looks good. The back here, feel a little bit of debris from decaying light seals, so those should be replaced. Pressure plate looks okay. Back closes properly. It's got a good rewind crank. The bottom had some kind of plastic on here that has protected the surface. It's got a little pattern embedded here. It must have been used on a tripod quite a bit. I would guess that's just in the plastic, but I'm not going to peel it off to see. And then the camera comes with this fitted case. It simply fits in there, and this screws into the bottom of the camera where the tripod socket is, and covers over like that. And it has this big adjustable wide strap with the swivels. The case snaps in the back. I didn't quite get those lined up. There it is. A fully manual 35mm camera. Needs light seals, and the aperture blades are a little bit sluggish opening up, and other than that, it looks pretty good, but it's as is, as shown.